Namaskar, I am Krishna Sagar Rao, BJP spokesperson. Congress party, the age-old party which ruled this country for 66 long years, is terminally ill, and it's official. Because it shows by the statements they're making, by the moves they're making, by the paths they're taking up, by the positions they're taking. It clearly shows that Congress is desperate, frustrated, and a dead-ender party today. The extreme position of Congress, which nobody expected, and everybody got shocked in India and abroad, that it attacked the Indian Armed Forces, the chief of Indian Army, and says he's a street gunda. Today they have crossed all borders, broken all limits, and holds Prime Minister Narendra Modi responsible for terror which happens in India. Notwithstanding that they ruled India for 66 years, and any common sense would reapply the same logic to them, that all the prime ministers of their family, will they take up the responsibility that they have promoted terror in this country? What kind of a statement is that? See, the visible signs that Congress party doesn't anymore represent India. I think it has come to a terminal position of natural extinction. And Bharatiya Janata Party is awaiting its agenda of Congress Mukt Bharat. We thought we would eliminate them from power in all the states, but it looks as if Congress is on a self-destruction mode, and it is trying to eliminate itself from even the political environment of this great democracy and the largest democracy in the world, India. Indians are watching, and Congress is destroying itself. All the best to Congress.